Hi guys, another video with the Isotech IEMF meter. I'm just going to show you what happens with the radio frequencies through the microwave. It can actually penetrate walls. So there's my microwave in the kitchen in the corner there, next to the kettle. So next to my kitchen is my bedroom. And if you look in that corner, just through that wall there, that's where the microwave is sitting. So if I show you, put down my camera, and if I turn on the microwave, you'll see what happens with the meter here. Hopefully it stays in focus. Okay, I'll turn the microwave on for 10 seconds. So hopefully that stayed in focus there, you could read that, but you can see it jumped up in that 10-second period. And also the magnetic field at the top jumped up as well. So just be mindful places where you're spending a lot of time, maybe sitting on the sofa or in your bed, what's through your walls. The microwave is one of the worst things. So see you in the next video. Bye.